You can start your narration.
Yep. This is a 1998 Titan Roadrunner touring bike. Original owner. Everything's original. It is actually one of the rarer models because it is actually built for two people. It has a Danny Gray seat. As you can see, foot pegs. Most of the ones that you see, you can look them all up online. And they all have single seats. This is a very nice bike. It's been immaculately taken care of. Currently has 21,000 miles on it. It's been serviced professionally. The top end of the engine has been totally rebuilt within the last 1,000 miles. It has braided steel cables, Titan leather bags, Thunder header exhaust, Dunlop tires like new, SNS motor, super motor with an SNS carb. Inspected, registered, all ready to go. Any questions, give me a call personally. We'll set up an appointment. Thing purrs like a kitten, huh?